Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, your daily dose of vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the word celebration. It's a B1 level noun, meaning a joyful event or party. So, when do we use celebration? Well, it's all about marking a happy occasion like a birthday, a wedding, or even just a really good day. It's that feeling of joy that we want to express together. Some great synonyms for celebration include festivity, like the town was filled with festivity during the holiday or party, such as they threw a huge party for their anniversary. On the flip side, antonyms of celebration would be something like mourning. For example, the country was in mourning after the tragedy, or sorrow, such as the sorrow in their hearts was palpable. In everyday life, you might say, let's have a celebration after the exams, or there's a big celebration at the park at 4 p.m. We use celebration in sentences like, the annual festival was a grand celebration, or the graduation ceremony was a celebration of their hard work, and even phrases like in celebration of. So, to sum up, a celebration is a joyful event, often with food, music, and lots of happy faces. It's the perfect way to remember something wonderful. That's it for today's word. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoy learning with me, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support really helps others find our show. I'm also really curious how you would use celebration in a sentence. So, please write your own example in the comments below the video.